2 years old and growing.
Sa pamamagitan ng Yesu Cristo, kasama ng Espiritu Santo, sa walang hanggan.
And all you do, please be bold and soldier on. You dare not think of a world where you didn't come along. I'll keep your picture there on my bedside every night. You keep getting bigger. The sun rose over the valley for the first time in a while.
Welcome to the Christian World, baby Jayden Ellie. And happy first birthday to you. Ang wish ko sa'yo sana, lumaki kang magalang at madispeto sa mga tao, mababa man o malaking tao. At sana, ang wish ko sa'yo, maging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan.
For the best part.
Kay baby Jayden, sa anak ko, maging mabuti kang bata paglaki mo, at kung yung mga bagay na hindi ko narating, sana ma-achieve mo sa buhay. Yun lang, lagi kang maging madasalin at maging makadiyos.
Is this what it feels like to be right on time? It's a new beginning. Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part.
Happy birthday, Jayden. Sana lumaki kang hindi ko kagaya. Promise secure na yung future mo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Aiden. Sana lumaki kang mabait at malusog.
Happy birthday, Jayden. Sana masubaybayan ko yung paglaki mo. At lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at mabait. Di tulad ng ate mo. Ayun lang. We love you. Pogi mo.
This is a new beginning. Yeah. This is just the start.
Happy birthday, Jayden. Thank you for inviting us from Bicol to Malabon. Sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos upang ang lahat ng plano mo sa buhay ay pagtagumpayin. Love your mommy and daddy. God bless you always. Love you from Lola.
The best part.